Are you looking for the best OBD2 scanners with ECU coding? As vehicles become increasingly software-defined, having an OBD2 scanner with ECU coding and bidirectional capabilities is less of a luxury and more of a necessity for both DIY enthusiasts and professional shops. These tools go beyond reading DTCs. They allow active testing, calibrations, resets, and even ECU coding on select models.
Product number 1, Xtool D7 Bidirectional Overview. The Xtool D7 represents a high-end, pro-grade handheld, portable solution that emphasizes bidirectional control and ECU coding with broad European coverage. It ships with a robust 5,000 mAh battery, 2,500 mAh at 7.3V fast charging, and supports FCA Auto Off, CAN FD, and DOIP. The 2025 iteration expands vehicle coverage and introduces an enhanced V2.0 diagnostic report with brandable PDFs suitable for shops. It touts 4,000 plus active tests, 36 plus special functions, 8 live data graphs, and 3-year free updates, plus a 2-year US warranty. Aimed at shops or serious enthusiasts, the D7 promises enterprise-like capabilities without dealership pricing. Performance-wise, the D7 delivers true bidirectional capability. Tests ABS pumps, throttle valves, actuators, and more while observing live responses. The full system access and ECU coding for European makes, BMW, Benz, VW, Audi, enable battery registration, SAS calibration, injector coding, DPF regeneration, and other critical adaptations. The device targets users who demand repeatable maintenance, data export options, and professional documentation, logo-customized reports. In practice, setup is straightforward on Android, but the breadth of features benefits from familiarizing yourself.
Product number 2, ThinkDiag 2 All-System Overview. ThinkDiag 2 builds on ThinkDiag with CAN FD support and a broad all-system diagnostics suite. It's a wireless, phone-based tool that leverages AutoVIN for quick vehicle identification and offers FCA Auto Auth through an app-based workflow. It covers 120-plus brands and emphasizes affordability while delivering bidirectional tests and 15-plus maintenance resets. The device is designed for smaller shops and DIYers who want a capable tool without the price tag of pro-grade hardware. In daily use, ThinkDiag 2 shines with its portability and app-centric experience. The AutoVIN health report and documentation features are convenient for capturing vehicle health checks to share with customers. However, the trade-off for price is a reliance on the ThinkDiag Plus app ecosystem and subscription-like renewal decisions after the included update year. Compatibility messaging emphasizes VIN checks, so verification before purchase is essential. CAN FD support is a strong differentiator at this price point, particularly.
Product number 3, ThinkDiag OBD2 Scanner. Overview. This ThinkDiag variant is the original ThinkDiag offering, delivering full system diagnostics with 15-plus resets and FCA Auto Off. It targets users who want OE-level diagnostics at a fraction of the dealer price. It's compact, Bluetooth-enabled, and claims app-based access to maintainable features across most 1996-plus vehicles, with an emphasis on ease of use for Android and iOS devices. From a practical standpoint, ThinkDiag delivers a strong value proposition with live data, 4-in-1 graphing, and an AutoVIN function for rapid system health reports. The 15-plus resets cover essential services, but the depth of ECU coding on non-European vehicles can be variable. The device requires activation and ongoing updates via the ThinkDiag Plus app. Some users may encounter variability in feature availability across vehicle makes.
Product number 4, BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Overview. BlueDriver is the consumer-grade benchmark, wireless, easy to use, and subscription-free for code reading and repair data. It supports ABS, SRS, TPMS, and other enhanced codes with repair reports and real-time data. The device is known for depth and repair guidance and a straightforward app experience, which makes it ideal for casual enthusiasts who want trustworthy, clear guidance without ongoing fees. In practice, BlueDriver excels at clarity and reliability. It reads and clears a wide range of codes, offers repair recommendations, and provides 7,000+ issues coverage. Its strength lies in user experience and robust on-device repair guidance, rather than deep bidirectional testing or ECU coding. For car owners who want a dependable, no-hassle, annual free purchase with strong support, BlueDriver is a standout option. Its limitation is the lack of extensive ECU coding and advanced bidirectional controls compared to Pro Tools.
Product number 5. 2025 Launch Creator Elite Overview. The Launch Creator Elite V2.0 is a modern evolution of Launch's X431 lineage, designed to deliver full system diagnostic functions with bidirectional testing, auto-VIN, and extensive service and reset capabilities. It emphasizes lifetime free update, a 4-inch touchscreen, and a larger memory footprint, aiming to be a robust, all-in-one tool for Toyota, Lexus, and other brands within its target scope. It also advertises ECU coding and auto-off support for FCA SGW. The device is positioned as a strong all-purpose option with a dealer-grade feature set. Performance-wise, Elite V2.0 provides a one-stop diagnostic workflow with 11 supported languages and a Wi-Fi update path. It supports many resets, e.g. oil, EPB, SAS, DPF, and offers 4 variable live data views. While capable, the scope of compatibility and the depth of corporate ECU coding may vary by model or year, and some advanced European coding tasks may require validation of model compatibility. The value proposition hinges on lifetime updates and broad service functionality, which is compelling for shops or motivated DIY